Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Quik app connection issues on GoPro Mission 1 Pro camera. First of all, we want to make sure that the application's version is updated, so visit either Google Play Store or App Store depending on the kind of smartphone that you are using, and search for the Quik application. And make sure that yours is the most recent version. So if you see the update option in here, you have to tap update and wait until this application is updated. Then just open this app, make sure that you have your Bluetooth enabled and your Wi-Fi enabled. Let's continue as guest. Then we have to go to GoPro section, turn on your GoPro, swipe down Quick Settings menu, then swipe to the third page, tap Connect Device, turn on, and now let's tap Connect a GoPro on our smartphone. And normally your camera should be detected automatically, and you just have to tap Connect and wait until the connection is established. But you can also select Not My Camera or select a camera from the list. Just make sure to select the proper camera model, tap Connect, and then your app will be able to find it. Now you just have to confirm all the permissions that your app asks you for, and you'll be connected. And if you're still experiencing some kind of issues, make sure to restart both your camera by holding down the power button for a couple of seconds and your smartphone, usually by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time and selecting restart. And then just try connecting them once again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.